everybody, it's Katie. So today I'm going to be doing my slime collection. I have a lot of slimes. I'm sorry if the video is long. So yeah, I have like about 20 slimes, I guess. So yeah, let's get started. The first slime I have is this clear one, which I left it clear up, but it is starting to clear up. So yeah, I'm going to open it. And it does have air bubbles. See, when I poke it, nothing happens, and it is turning clear, as you can see. But it is mostly I make glossy slimes, and they are turned out glossy, so it feels really nice. It's not sticky. It is stretchy. And you can make bubbles to get out. Put it on the table, my desk. Okay, so, see? You can stretch it. And yeah. So this is my clear one. This is number 1. So yeah. On to slime number 2. Slime number 2 is this orange one. I use clear glue for all of these. So it's orange. It did clear up a little bit, so you guys can see it looks clear. So yeah. And then it pokes too. So yeah, it's yellow. I mean orange. I used orange food coloring for this one. So yeah, it is stretchy. Oops, bubble popped. So yeah, this is slime number 2. Now I'm going on to slime number 3. Slime number 3 is an avalanche slime. So it turns to dark purple and then it goes back to light purple. So yeah. See, it's dark purple right now, and then when the sun reflects it, when the sun reflects it, it turns pink. So it's like a color changing. It is glossy though, and they're not sticky, but I'm gonna activate it a little bit. That's it. So I use contact solution so it doesn't get too sticky. I have a little bit left. So yeah. It is super stretchy. See it and watch. It turns. You guys can see it from the camera. So let me go up again. It looks strong, but it's actually like here. And I'm kind of talking low voice because my grandma and my sister are sleeping. So they're resting. So this is slime number 3. The other slimes that I'm going to show you guys right now are in Ziploc bags. So yeah, I still have to make more. I have containers, but I'm not using them yet. So yeah. Oh, I forgot. I have this one. It is a teal slime, but I call it gummy bear. Slime just looks like gummy bear. See? It's like turquoise. It does break. It's more like putty than slime. So yeah. It is a little bit stretchy, and let's poke it. It doesn't poke too much. Okay, so onto Ziploc bag slimes. So for this video is let me tell my hair, guys, really quick. Okay, so I have this orange one. It's clear glue too. It's super stretchy. It's like gummy bear. Okay, so just take a piece out. It's like this. It's like it's pink and orange mixed together. So it's really clear. So yeah, it is clear. So this is slime number 5. So yeah, it's not sticky. I keep on in a Ziploc bag. I still have containers, but I'm not using them yet, as I said. Those are for challenges. Okay, so next one is another gummy bear slime, which is my sister's gummy bear slime. But hers is more like jello, which is prickly. So yeah, this one is the same one as the other one. So this is my turquoise slime works blue and because it's clear blue and light blue mixed in together. So it looks purple, but if I go like this, it still looks blue. It looks blue though, but it's turquoise. It's more like white glue. It's jiggly though. Does it make pieces? So yeah, this is slime number 6. So on to slime number 7. Sorry, let me work out. On to slime number. Wait, let me. Okay, I think it's 8 or 9. I lost count. Oh yeah, on to slime number 8. Marshmallow slime. It's just white glue. I guess stretchy, but I'm gonna cut the big. It is jiggling again. It's stretchy. So right. On to slime number 9. Some of my videos, my friends are gonna be in them. So yeah. Okay. So this next one is purple gummy bear. I'm making it. It's stretchy. It feels like jelly. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's more like putty again, like the gummy bear. So after this video, I'm gonna be posting another video on how to make slime. So yeah, this is how it looks. It is stretchy, it's super clear. Most all of them are clear. So yeah. Okay, on to slime number 10. I think it's the last one. A little piece was really sticky. So in this one, it is metallic paint. So yeah, it's metallic paint. It breaks. Oh, not too much, but it just breaks. Okay, so I got a big piece. So see, it breaks. So yeah. Okay, slime number 11. There's a clear one, and it says clear slime. What is this clear slime on it? See it. So this one is clear, but it breaks. I didn't overactivate it. I left it in here when I was done. So yeah. Slime number 11. So that's it for all my slime collection. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below and turn on the notifications. So yeah, bye guys.